Alright, this is my, should I start from the ugly side? This is my 1989 BMW 325 IS, or an E30. It's got these ugly wheels on it, and it's got these cooler wheels on it. We're going to be using these BONOSS wheel adapters, and I'm going to show you how to throw those on here to get the better wheels on. There's not much light. Oh, perfect. So the jack pointing, or the jack points on this car, if you come under here, is this kind of bracket brace looking thing. It kind of differentiates. This pinch weld here is also one for changing your tire, but that's kind of more sketchy. So I'm gonna jack it up from the back here and put the jack stand on the front. You want to announce this one?
All right, as you can see, this is where the jack points is on this E30 325 IS. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know much about cars. My friends teach me a little bit, but yeah, I don't got much to say, to be honest.
All right, perfect. Okay, so the car's weight supported on this jack stand, but always have your jack there just in case that fails. So you have 2 points, and then we'll go from there. All right. Well, I forgot to mention, if you don't have an impact gun, you should break your bolts loose before you lift the car up. But if not, just take an impact and... Okay, hold up.
Technical difficulties.
1, 2, 3. Alright, now we get the wheel off. This dude has some spacer on it. It's dumb. You want to clean off the mating surface. I was using a brass wire brush. You can do this on both the hub of the car as well as the wheel you're putting onto it. Alright, now I'll open the kit. See what it comes with. Alright, this is the hub itself. BONOSS. Make sure to order the right hub inner diameter so it fits over that, as well as the outer one so that it fits over your wheels. And then all you want to do is kind of line it up with these 2 holes to those 2. And then wiggle it on so it goes in. I don't know where it stopped, but the camera stopped. These keys seem to be tricky. When you put them in here, they sometimes don't line up perfectly. But, and we've got, I'm going to take 3 of these and put them in here. We'll take a 10mm Allen head and tighten them. Alright, now we're going to use a torque wrench. Oh, you're not supposed to leave it set to wherever, but I like to... The lug torque spec on this car is 75 pound-feet. So first before I install this key, I like to torque all these to 35. Oh, wait. Here's a little trick. If you're trying to torque it and it's rotating like this, throw a screwdriver in between your caliper and stick it down one of these splines, and then that will prevent it from rotating. Alright, so torque all of these to that 35 pound-feet. And that's good. And then next step, we'll take the studs and install those. Alright, but these are the studs that the kit comes with. show a little trick on how to install the key properly. So if you throw 2 studs into the key, you can hand tighten it like this. And then you need this to be in line with the middle bit of here and here. So if you need to, what I like to use is a little breaker bar. You can just throw in between there. Alright. Before we install these next studs, we're going to torque these down to their desired 75. I like to do 80 to be safe. Pound-feet of torque. Alright. Now we can install the rest of the studs. Just thread them in. Alright. We're going to take our torque wrench with a 6mm Allen socket and torque these all down to 30 pound-feet. Oops. Now that all the studs are on and everything's torqued down, we can get our wheel. And slowly line it up. Ah, that was a bad screech. Grab your lug nuts and throw them on. And these are bigger 19mm socket, and you just want to get them finger tight.
It just stopped.
Alright, well, it stopped again. I don't know where. About.
You know what I say? I say to retry the video on the back one.
Bro, I just did all this work though.
You're gonna do the same thing.
And I gotta like comment over it. Alright, set your torque wrench 80 pound-feet and then torque them all in a star pattern. Well, the camera stopped recording like 10 times, but
it was a practice
and
run.
that's how you do it. The end.